Ahoy! In one of my latest videos, I asked you if you can comment below the video and let me know what you need to improve to grow your YouTube channel. Well, the comments were all very different. The most important thing is you, your charisma, how you express yourself, how you talk to the camera, everything about you. Whether you are just starting out or you already have a successful YouTube channel and you need to kind of improve, or you haven't started it out of the fear, in today's video I've got 7 tips how to feel more confident and talk to the camera so you can attract more subscribers and grow your channel. For the new faces, welcome. My name is Zdenka Darula. My channel is all about photography and video, so if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. Let's face it, you are not afraid of the camera. It doesn't bite. You are afraid of the people you are going to reach through the camera. You're afraid of what they are going to comment, and you are afraid what they are going to think about you. Well, and here comes the tip number 1. First of all, when you're just starting out, only very few people are going to see a video. And that's a good thing because that will give you enough time to warm up to the camera. Who's your best friend? Imagine him or her instead of the camera, as you are just having a simple and plain conversation. If your goal is to be authentic and real without sounding like a commercial or without sounding like you are actually reading a product manual, then you really need to keep in mind that you are talking to your friend. If you are one of the people who just grabs a camera and can talk for hours and hours and hours, good for you. Because majority of us, and I'm saying us, cannot do that. When I was starting out here on YouTube, I had everything written word by word. I could not even deliver one sentence. I was reading most of it. And when you look at my first videos, you can tell I was very nervous. So if you are in that position, writing a script might be a very good idea. You might even consider getting a teleprompter, but I don't recommend it because if you know that the person is using one, you can tell the eyes are kind of moving, the movement is there, and the authenticity, the feeling is just simply not there. It's like when you are reading news. Use it maybe 2-3 times and then put it away, because once you get into that habit, it's going to be very difficult to break it. What would be a much better thing to do is read 2 or 3 sentences, put the paper away, and then try to deliver it to your friend, to your camera. And think, listen to yourself. Does it sound like you're talking to your friend? If not, do it again. There are a few reasons why you should be responding comments below your YouTube videos. First of all, you will create a connection with your audience, you will get to know your audience, and you will make new friends. All this counts as engagement, and YouTube algorithm really likes it, and brands love seeing it. For you as a YouTuber, the most important thing is to create a connection with your audience. I try my best to respond to every single comment below my videos, and truthfully, I know a lot of my subscribers by name. I know what kind of people most likely they are. I know that maybe Janie from New York might be watching this video, which has a cooking channel, or Frank and Joanne from Bob Cajun, or Violet from South Africa, or Rash Kumar from India. By talking to your subscribers, you are creating the friendships, and it will be more clear to you that you are talking to your friends on the other side instead of the lifeless camera. You will start feeling excited and you will be looking forward to create the next video because you know that you're going to be reaching all those people. You're talking to all of them. Put yourself in the situations where you feel the most comfortable. Don't start vlogging in a public, in a busy places to begin with. Start maybe in your home or go to the park or somewhere where you will feel uninterrupted. I'm one of those people which doesn't feel very comfortable in front of large crowd. So I choose to film early in the morning and I go to the places where I can be almost alone and it's quiet. If you feel comfortable, you will look relaxed in front of the camera. Plan videos which you can handle. Don't over-plan so you don't stress yourself out. Don't plan all these crazy B-rolls and drone shots and many different locations because you're gonna be stressed and it's gonna show. Plan what you can truly handle, what you can do in that time frame you give yourself. And the same goes with your gear. Don't bring all the gear in the world, especially don't bring gear which you don't know even how to use yet. Play with it when you have a time off, and once you know what you're doing, then include it in your kit. Let's talk about our own insecurities. We all have them. When I started this channel, my biggest insecurity was obviously my English and accent. One of the biggest compliments I got was last week from my friend, which said that I sound very different now than I sounded when I started this channel. Last 12 years I spent on the other side of the camera as a professional photographer, focusing my work on glamour, fashion, stock and weddings. English and accent is something which can be improved. You can work on it. Every time I record and every time especially I edit my videos, I listen to myself over again. And if I see the mistake, if I hear the mistake, I try my best to fix it the next time. And if I don't know how to pronounce something, then I simply pull up Google and I look it up, how to pronounce this or how to pronounce that. When I watch other English YouTube channels, I listen to them very carefully. I pay attention to the pronunciation, I pay attention to the stress in a word, the accent, all that. Sometimes, however, this can be your advantage. On the other hand, I have many people begging me not to lose the accent because I guess it makes me stand out from the crowd. My insecurity right now is my weight. Before all these lockdowns, I was very active. I was doing a lot of figure skating and I was training every single day, so I was burning all those calories. That was all taken away from me. And as my subscribers grew, my body too. To most of you, or to a lot of people, I might look completely normal, but I don't feel normal. That's not me. I know how I felt before. I felt way better before. It was really hard for me to show the clips of myself in a bathing suit when I was talking about the Insta360 Go-To camera. I made sure I'm all in the water. That's why I bought the elliptical machine and I'm trying to do everything possible to go back to where I was before, but it's a little bit tricky in this age. Whenever I lose some weight and if I stop for a little bit, it goes back up like this, but I'll keep fighting. As you can see, we all have insecurities. The best thing is to really put them aside. After all, your subscribers can really nicely surprise you in the comments. Whenever you get positive comments, it will push you to work harder. I'm going to say 2 sentences, 2 different ways. Here's the version number 1. Don't rush, slow down, breathe. Don't be afraid to get lost in your thoughts and share your video audience. Just be yourself. Now, here's the version number 2. Don't rush, slow down and breathe. Don't be afraid to get lost in your thoughts and share it with your audience. Just be yourself. Did you notice the difference? The first version was just like a reading news. The second time, I really meant it. I slowed down. I was taking breaks. I felt like it was really coming from inside, being delivered to you. So when you talk to your audience, really mean it. Try to feel it. Be confident. Stand by to what you're saying. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to future videos, and let me know in the comment section below what is your biggest challenge right now, besides just talking in front of the camera. Let's chat, or you can just say hello. And I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao. Ahoy.